Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator and if you'd like to have the exact percentage, then all you have to do is to simply enter the settings. In the settings, just find the battery option, and as you can see at the very bottom of it you've got the battery percentage. In your case probably it is turned off, so in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher. And as you can see, the percentage will immediately appear right next to the battery icon. Of course, as you could see, you can turn it off whenever you want to, just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Motorola Edge 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.